Hey everybody, how are you? Well, you know what I'm doing. I'm doing another haul. During the holidays especially, it seems like there's more hauls to be had. This is a Dollar Tree of a fall and Halloween. So they have these little boxes. They are so cute. I don't know, this is so cute though. I was gonna make a cake out of it, but I'm not sure. But look at the inside. Is that adorable? Look. I think that is so cute. So I don't know that I'm going to, I don't know yet. And then they had, I get my razors from there because razors get dull so quick. I'm not going to spend a lot of money on them. Then they had these Werther's caramel. They're okay. I don't know. I don't think they're any great shake, but it's okay. I wouldn't buy them again. The only black and white buffalo check I saw were the cups, so I got the one that says Faith. They have ones that say Faith, Family, Cherish. Can't remember, I think there's another one. But anyway, every year I get one and I use it through the year and then I throw it away and get a new one. So I got that. I got these butterflies. I thought these were so pretty. Very pretty. I got this sticker. My daughter was in dance and drama growing up, and now my granddaughter, as you know, Everly has her own channel. So I'll use those in some scrapbooking. And then look at this stencil, $1. A lot of stencils are much more expensive than $1. I thought this one was cute too, to use in a scrapbooking. And also these. Now these are little charms. You can put these on anything. You can put them on jars or any kind of decor that you use. And it's black and then the clear gems with a little bit of topaz. Here's another. Look at this one. And on the inside, I think that is so cute for $1. I will keep this one the way it is. Kind of retro, in a way. These plastic bowls, I'll use a couple of them for a DIY. That'll be coming up pretty soon, actually. And some more of these plates, which I'll be doing a DIY with these as well. Then I got some more of the Harvest. It says Harvest, Thankful and Welcome. I like this little scarecrow. Isn't he cute? They also had this Harlequin, and I really like this for Halloween. It's Mackenzie Child looking. And then they had these little scarecrows. I thought this is so cute. And then Tales of Halloween. I like these little books. I'll probably keep this one the way it is. And then they had this. This is really nice. Ribbon. Haunted House. Boo. Eek! Spooky. Happy Halloween. Really cute. I think it goes really cute. You want to use it with this. Isn't that cute? I got some more of the plastic spoons because I'll be doing DIYs with these like I did with my honeybee, how I made those for my summer decor. I got this lantern and I really like it, but the light is almost, and they only had one. I couldn't find any more. So I got one of their batteries because I want to reuse it. I would like to get more of these to put on the tree, especially since they do light up. got some more of these pumpkins, and I won't keep these on like I told you before. But I got them for the pumpkins, and I may use the flowers somewhere else. I don't know for sure. Got some of these rings and bats, and I'll be using those probably on cupcakes, faux cupcakes. So I don't know if I'll keep it together or I'll take it apart. I'm not sure. But I do like that with the sunflowers. Apple cider, hay rides, pumpkins, falling leaves, and then up here it's the metal that says autumn. Thought that was pretty. Okay. Then I got some more of these little picks, and these work really well on the faux foods. And that's really what I get these for. Got a couple more of these because it's hit and miss. Some of these work, and they work really well. Now, I don't know how long. I mean, you know, they're $1. But, I mean, when they do work, they're really very nice. So I got a couple more of those. I always use these sponge dabbers, whatever you want to call them. So I got some more for $1. You know, why not? Then I got some of these. I got 3 of these pumpkins because I'm going to be doing Mackenzie Child with those. The other one's upstairs, but here's 2 of them. This little birdhouse, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it yet. The Hello Autumn, I thought that was really pretty. And that's in the real popular colors this year. Got another pack. Whenever I see these, I pick them up because they work really well. And they're only $1 opposed to sometimes $6 or $7. I thought these were cute too. The Welcome Friends. I thought I showed you these, but I looked back and I don't see it. So, and then the Hello Fall. I will do something with the back of these. And then this little guy, I might do something with him as well. And then some more batteries. Got that. So guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul, okay? And a couple more things. I got these little pumpkins because these also go on faux foods really well. And then they had these 3 different books, and these are nice. The comfort foods for the crock pot. The Hershey's holiday favorites. And the Philadelphia holiday favorite desserts. I mean, they are really very nice. I love cookbooks. But look at the beautiful pictures. I think they're very nice. Well worth it. They had all kinds of these books. And then this one, I really like using my crock pot. That looks good. That looks really good. Roasted tomato basil soup. Oh my gosh, that really sounds good, guys. Whew. I'm getting hungry. Alright, guys. Thanks for coming along with me, watching my haul. And until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.